What's up guys, Mike here from the Doing Farms. So we're back on sourdough again. So we're going to make some bread today. So I've started off by auto-leasing my flour and water, and I'm just loosely following a recipe from the King Arthur website, and kind of watching some YouTube videos and getting a broad spectrum of different techniques. So anyway, now we're going to give it a mix. All combined. All right, so looks like we got it all mixed up. So now we got to let it proof. All right guys, we're back again, and we've let our dough proof for 45 minutes or so, and it's come up quite a bit. I'm gonna knock it down right quick. Just kind of knock it down, and then we're going to form our loaves, and then let them proof again, and then they'll go in the oven. So we'll get this out. I floured the island top, countertop, so hopefully it won't stick a whole bunch. But you know, we'll see. It's kind of fun. These are not holding any shape whatsoever. So we'll just see what happens. This should be fun. Alright guys, so sourdough is done. It's not super puffy loaf or anything. It actually came out pretty flat. It's got good texture to it. It's nice and chewy. It's got some holes and stuff in there. It's got a real good sourdough flavor. Tastes really nice. It just didn't rise for whatever reason. And I don't know if I just didn't use enough yeast or didn't let it rise long enough, but following the instructions on the website, this is what we got. It's nice, it's really nice, but just not, doesn't have the height that I expected. So, no big deal. I'll eat it anyway, and we'll try again, all right? To all my VA friends, stay strong and 2 Alpha.